So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to have, when an enemy catches you, for the camera to whip around and show the enemy, something that I was struggling with for the longest time, but I figured out a way to do it. I couldn't find any really good tutorials, so I'll just make a quick one. So this is a demo of how it works. I'm just running, the bad guy's chasing me. If I let him catch me, boom, camera whips around, shows the enemy. I also can't move around anymore because I'm caught. Pretty simple. It just takes a couple things that you can add to it and it works just fine. So I'll show you how I did it. So this is just the basic third person template. Nothing, I haven't changed anything. It's how it starts. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the blueprint for the player character. And I'm just going to duplicate it. Control D, duplicate it. Let's call it BPAI. If we open that up, we don't have to change anything in here. All we're going to do is on event begin play, we're going to use the node AI move to. The pawn is going to be a reference to self, because that's this AI pawn that we want to move. And the target actor is going to be get the player character. That way it'll look for the player character in the world. The acceptance radius, that's just 5 units wide. It will know when it hit you. And then we're going to, out of the player, get player character, we're going to disable input, just so that our character can't move around anymore once it's caught us. And that's going to be on success, because that's if the AI character moves to our player character. When they move to us on success, it's going to do this. It's going to disable input, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get the player controller and set view target with blend. This is the key. It changes your view from your character that you're playing, the camera that you're seeing your character through, to a camera that we're actually going to attach to our AI character. And we want the view target to be self, again, the AI character. So let's go into the viewport. So here we can see there's the third person character by default. I'm just going to delete the camera boom because we don't need that. And you can see the camera just moves right in. What I'm going to do is rotate it, move it away from the character a little bit. This is basically the view that you'll have when the AI character catches you. I'll just angle it up a little bit so it's kind of scary. So that's all set to go. And if down here on set view target with blend, the blend time right now it's at 0, so it'll just snap instantly. We can see how that works. Now the only thing that I need yet to do, a couple things, is drop the AI character into the world. There it is. And you can actually see right down here that that is the final view, what you're going to see when the camera snaps to this AI character. But if I hit play now, nothing's going to happen with that AI character. That's because I haven't added an AI nav, or just a nav mesh first. So I'm going to go up in here to add a nav, just type nav, and you'll get the nav mesh bounds volume. I'm just going to drag that into the world. I'm going to scale it up a bit so that it covers the entire bounds of the world here. And that'll just make it so that the AI character can move all around. If you hit the letter P on your keyboard, it will show you everywhere that this AI character can move on its own. Now it should work. If we hit play, the character is going to move toward us, try to get away, catches us, boom, immediately flips to the camera that we attached to the AI character. And I'm trying to move right now, and I can't. And that's intended because in a game, I would call that a game over, set up a UI that says game over. If we want to adjust how long it takes the camera to whip to the AI character, we can go in and edit the set view target with blend. Let's do 3 seconds. And let's test it with play. So if we let the character catch us, it moves really slow, but it can whip right over to that AI character. I still can't move. It works pretty good in a first-person view because then you don't have to worry about clipping through your character's skeletal mesh. But or you could even hide your character's skeletal mesh so that it doesn't do that so much. But yeah, basic, boom.